How to request wheelchair on Singapore Airlines. Hello friends, welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can request wheelchair on Singapore Airlines. So the best thing to do when you want to request wheelchair on Singapore Airlines or make such special request as this is to always contact the customer service. And how do you do so? The first step is to log in into your account. All right, once you're logged in, move to the top right corner of the screen where you can see some options which includes help, feedback, Singapore English. Just click on help. So after clicking on help, you'll be taken to the get helps page. Okay, so on this page you can see get help. We're here to get you the support you need whenever you need to resolve an issue, etc. So just scroll down and then you can check out topics related to you. And in this case, you're trying to ask about, you're trying to request for a wheelchair. And then if you cannot find any of that in here, move to the right side of the screen where you can see got a question chat now. So just click on the chat now, and then once it has loaded, you accept the terms and conditions, and then in the search box type out before that, select any of this option, chat with a live agent or any other question. Just click on chat with live agent, and then you can decide to accept, and then you can now wait until when you are connected to a customer service representative. So when you're now connected to the customer service representative, you can now decide to, ask your question, which says that how do I request for a wheelchair, or you would like to request for a wheelchair. Then you'll be asked to provide details about your flight. Go ahead, follow the on-screen instructions, and then your wheelchair request would be granted. So this is how you can request for a wheelchair on Singapore Airlines. Thank you for watching and have a good day.